Okay, question 2 on page 22. Again, another blood typing in that. So we know the legend from the previous question, but it says a female with AB blood type. Okay, underline the parents. So we know the legend. Underline the parents, tell me their genotypes. If she has AB blood, this is again codominance. So she's got to have both those alleles, IA, IB. That's her genotype. Is crossed with a male who has blood type O. Now remember, the only way that you can have O blood, because A and B alleles are both dominant over the O allele, he can only have two little i's, two little recessive I alleles there. So they hook up and they have some babies. What are the genotype and the phenotypic ratio of the F1 generation? So when we see this question, we've underlined the parents. We can go to step 3 because we know the genotypes of both those parents. We are going to put her across the top. Females generally, if you know them, in this case we do, go across the top of the punnet, and the male goes down the side. So remember what you're doing with those genotypes again, you're isolating them into gametes. So this is saying that 100% of all of his sperm are going to have the recessive allele for O blood. 50% of her eggs are going to have A allele and 50% are going to have B allele. Okay, so that's what you're doing with this Punnett square. You're isolating the gametes across the top and down the side for each parent. Then you're going to bring them together to simulate fertilization. Again, showing the dominant allele first. So if that egg gets fertilized by this sperm, that offspring is going to have the genotype IA, little I, and they're going to have the phenotype A blood. Okay, and just continue to do this. IB, little I, that's going to have B blood. IA, little I, little I, that's going to be A blood. And IB, little I, that's going to have B blood. So if we take a look at this ratio, it's a 2 to 2 ratio, 2 being A, 2 being B, but of course we have to reduce ratios. So it's going to be a 1 to 1 ratio, 1 being A blood, 1 being B blood. You will never, with these parents, have an O baby, or you will never have an AB baby, ever. Okay? So any questions, give me an email and we can take a look. Thanks. Bye.